Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add moving color neon lights border in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application and I'm going to add the moving color neon lights border to this video. If we want to add that border, we can go to the video effect. You can tap on the effect menu first and then you're going to select the video effect. In this video effect, go to the night clip category and you can scroll down until you find the color phosphor, this one. You can add this effect to your video to create the moving color neon lights border. Okay, now it's done. And now the moving color neon lights border has been added to my video and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add moving color neon lights border in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.